Hello everybody, this is Hallsofvallhalla, and this is a quick intro to DotWorldMaker. DotWorldMaker is basically an RPG online multiplayer game engine, create your own games. I did not make this engine, one of our members on Any Resource created it. I'm really showing it off because I really do like this engine. A lot of you have asked about things like this, and myself have looked for engines like this, and there's not much out there, and so I wanted to make sure all my members see this thing so they can at least check it out and see if this is what they've been looking for, because you think RPG Maker, but this thing's online, it's multiplayer, it's right through the browser, all the editors are through the browser. It's just really simple and easy to use, and it really gives you a lot of the features that I know a lot of people are looking for in being able to build a game. Here's a couple of features. Of course, it's got tons more, but it does have free and advanced licenses. Definitely huge maps, absolutely gigantic maps, tons of in-game editors, a lot of really cool. It's got a particle system editor, all kinds of really cool stuff that I'll show off. But overall, it's just a really good engine that's a lot of fun to use. And we can go ahead and just test it out real quick. You have these normal just kind of open games you can do, but also you have your own that you can create. So I'm just going to manage my own. I was kind of fooling around with. You can put in your own graphics, of course. These are just stock graphics. But basically it's, you walk around. The cool thing is with the editors, you can like edit the map. It's got a really cool smart tile system. So you can I know that's always a pain is getting water right. So you can sit there and kind of makes it look a lot nicer and automatically kind of does it for you, which is really cool. Of course, you got your normal editor, which I'm sure all of you are used to. You can edit your tiles, however you want to do that. Put some flowers. You've got paths. You've got objects. Of course, you can put a sign down. And of course, you edit all this stuff yourself. You can bring in more creatures, really simple, through the browser. Just click, create your game, and people are playing it. That's what's nice about it. Want to add a house somewhere, you can add a house, whatever you want to do. The other editors, you can, of course, edit the game. You can edit monsters. So basically, you can script them, you can put in the information. Really simple to use, and once you do it, it's in the game. Your players are playing it. That's what's awesome about it. He does have a version you can download, of course, that can be done offline, played or built offline, which is really neat because you don't get that feature. It's either one or the other. But for the most part, I'm sure most of you can use it online. But you have, of course, Quest Editor. You just have all these editors that really really make it a lot of fun to use and to build things with. Let's go back to the game, and then also you have your art editor. So basically, for your creatures, you have your sprite sheet. It shows you the animation, which is really cool. You can play with that. So it makes it real simple to get your stuff in there. It's already kind of built for a lot of that RPG Maker template type stuff. That stuff that's just ready to go that you can just drop in there and make a game really quick. So that's what makes it a lot of fun. Another really cool thing it has is it has its own basically pixel editor, which is really neat, where you can just kind of edit all these things and come in with it and actually edit the pixels yourself and save it, and it's in the game. So that's really neat too, because then you can, if I want to just edit just one block. There's a lot of really cool features he's added with this. I haven't played it with it enough to really understand all of them yet, but there's just a lot of really cool stuff. So that makes it even funner, because then you don't have to go outside to Photoshop or whatever and edit each one of them. You can just come in here and do it right in the game, save it, and bam, you're ready. So that's a really cool feature. Just one of the really cool features. It's got a roadmap here of all the stuff he's working on, stuff he's completed. You can see he works on it a lot, so there's new features. This is beta right now, but it's playable. So it's only going to get better. So basically, I really encourage everybody to at least try it out. Go to DotWorldMaker.com. I'll put the link above the video, but at least come check it out. He's got some tutorials and stuff like that you can run. You really don't need them. It is a pretty simple system to use, fun. You can have it online really quick. Also, if you go to indieresource.com, we've got some sections in here like the project show off that you can kind of ask questions about it. Anything. He's also got his own set of forums you can go to. He's got a help section there. But give it a shot. I'll put the link up there. Thanks.